Searching for a name that'll make your Christmas light installation business sparkle? Well, look no further. Get ready to illuminate the industry and leave a lasting impression on your customers. So when you're deciding on the name for your company, you need to think long term. Don't just think about today or next year. Think about the future and the possibilities of things you want to do or add to your lighting business. When we chose Patriot Illumination, we knew we were going to add event lighting, wedding lighting, and landscape lighting down the road. So that's why we didn't choose Patriot Christmas Light Installation or anything that had Christmas in it. You want to have a name that doesn't hold you down to one specific type of lighting. And I like to stay away from something that has your name in it. Yes, it sounds great. You love to see your name all over your branding. But when you go to sell it, it's not really attractive to companies. And ask around, see what's out there. You definitely want to do some market research because there's nothing worse than having a name for a company that's already got a copyrighted trademark or whatever it is. So you don't have to worry about them coming after you. So do your research, spend some time to think about the future and where you want your business to grow, and come up with that name that people are gonna love and be the brand name in your area.